Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Gas prices are going up effective Thursday. $1.78 will be added to the cost per liter of 87. 90 gasoline will increase by $1.76. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $3.06. Kerosene will also be sold for $3.06 more. $1.22 will be added to the cost of propane, while butane will increase by 62 cents. Now, Petrojam says this week's prices were mainly affected by Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the sanctions imposed by the United States and its allies, which drove up oil prices. On the global market, oil prices surged 9% today as a global agreement to release crude reserves failed to calm fears about supply disruptions from Russia's invasion of Ukraine and instead underscored concerns about growing disruptions. Members of the International Energy Agency IEA, which include the United States and Japan, agreed to release 60 million barrels of crude from their reserves to try and quell the sharp increase in prices that has pushed major benchmarks past $100 per barrel. However, the news of the release, equivalent to less than 1 day of worldwide oil consumption, only underscored the market's fear that supply will be inadequate to cover growing disruptions to the crude market. Brent crude futures rose $7 to $104.97 a barrel, while the U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude benchmark rose $7.69 to $103.41 a barrel. Now back home, CIBC First Caribbean has removed some charges for customers at automated banking machines ABMs. Effective today, CIBC customers will no longer be charged for withdrawals, balance inquiries, deposits and other transactions at these machines. The bank says it will continue to review its pricing and fee structure. Over the last 2 months, a number of financial institutions announced increased prices on some transactions, including those carried out at ATMs. A number of institutions have, however, deferred the proposed increases over the next coming months. Some more company news. JFP, formerly Jamaica Fiberglass Products, says investors in the general public pool will be guaranteed the first 12,500 shares requested and a percentage thereafter. The company made public the basis of allotment today. JFP says all applicants from the general public will receive a pro rata allocation, that is, of approximately 22.8% of shares above the base allotment of 12,500 shares. The company says applicants from the various reserve pools will receive all their requested shares. Now onto the currency market. It's costing an average $155.63 for the U.S. currency. $122.32 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $205.83 for the pound. The euro is trading at an average $175.07. Now onto the stock market. The JSE index advanced by 574 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 33 points. Among today's winners were May Event Entertainment Group, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, KLE Group, JMB Group 7.25% shares, and Cygnus Real Estate Finance Company US dollar shares, while on the losing side were Express Catering, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Stanley Motor ordinary shares, Wigton Wind Farm ordinary shares, and T-Tech Limited. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.